At the heart of every MOJO kit is a smartphone, just like this one. This is the iPhone 5S. It's the one we use. You could even use a bigger one like this. And the reason we use the iPhone is because with a particular edit app that we use has 2 tracks of video, which we think is really important for making MOJO stories. We marry that with a cradle, the iPhone with a cradle. In this case, it's an MCam Light.
Hello, my name is Jerome Newchurch.
And it's great for when you're doing pans and tilts and gives you extra stability. To power these things for more than a few hours, we use a battery pack, a rechargeable battery pack, and there are a number of them on the market. This is a Maxell, bigger the better, but make sure it's small enough to go into your pocket so you can have it on you all the time. We think a little rechargeable light is really important. This is a SEMA light. It's got different colour temperatures. It's got a warmer feel, it's got a cooler feel. You can dim the thing right down and right back up. Audio wise, we use a lapel mic, and this is a Rode SmartLav Plus. The cables are a wee bit short, but this is a terrific mic at about $60. It's actually really good value. We also have a little directional mic, and that comes with the MCam Light and pops in like that.
Very cool.
And it's really terrific. And if you want to do bands or music, you might need something like this. It's got an attenuating switch in it. It's the Rode VideoMic Pro. We've equipped everybody with the Rode. If you want to do some studio stuff and you're really serious, you want to do some narration in a room somewhere that's really quiet and dead, you could go for a little studio mic. This is the Apogee mic. We also use the NT mic from Rode. This one's sitting on a Manfrotto little mini tripod, and we've supplied this little tripod, the Rode one, for each of our MOJOs. We think they're really cool because you can actually screw your cradle onto it, stick it down on a table, it's articulated, stick it down on a table, and away you go. Hi, this is Evo, and I'm here at Ceduna doing a piece to camera with Tom. And that's terrific. You put it on a wall or on the top of a car, it's really great. Or if you want more heavy duty stuff, you can get something like this, is the Manfrotto with an action head. Very light and very sturdy and terrific little tripod. Once you've filmed all that stuff, your camera's going to be full eventually.
You need to delete that.
And you're going to need to store the stuff somewhere. So you might need a transfer device. We've actually got the AirStash here, and it creates a little Wi-Fi between your smart device and it, and it's used for moving content off your smart device onto another platform, like a laptop or a large computer. It's really terrific. I've written a little manual just in case the MOJO's out in the middle of nowhere and forget something. It's got everything you need to know about being a MOJO. We put all that together into this little bag, and that's what we call our MOJO Kit 101.